According to the weather people, we got, depending on where you were, we got anywhere from 11 to 19 inches. But one of our trash cans doesn't have a lid, and looking in it, right here where we are, we got closer to 22 just from what was collected inside. We got in Arkansas. Someone did a low estimate in Arkansas. 7.82 trillion gallons came down in 5 days across Arkansas. 7.82 trillion gallons in Arkansas alone. And that's in 5 days. No, they were basing that on an estimated 11 inches per square. 11 inches of rain per square inch, and that was a lowball estimate because most of our places were 12 inches and up. So they went with 11 and went with the square inch of the affected area and just crunch numbers. And they were going with 11. And like I said, our trash can was showing 22 ish. So, yeah, that number could very well go much higher than what they estimated. We, as far as the house and stuff, we stayed dry. It never came up to close to us. It covered the roads, both cold netting and going out. So we were landlocked for a while, but we had everything we needed. There's still road closures as of 12 hours ago. They were talking about there was still 12 hours left to crest on some of the rivers. And, they said it's a 100-year flood. I said, well, didn't that happen like 2 years ago? So now what are we going to call this? The every other year flood?